What's going on, guys? We just got the exhaust in the mail. There she is. Black carbon fibre. I'm actually going to give it a clean up first, so give it a good clean and a scrub with the old polish, and then I'll do a cold start so you can see what it sounds like, and then before and after. We'll do a cold start now of the stock exhaust. Alright, so I've got to give it a good old spray down with some penetrator to try and get into the bolts. Because I'm going to actually take the whole exhaust off and give it a polish with this metal lifesaver. It's actually amazing. So I got it from Bunnings, about $10 or so. And yeah, you saw the pictures on my Facebook. So yeah, I'm just actually going to spray it down, take it all off, and then come back. Alright, these are so hard to get off. I had to use a hammer. Pull that one out. This one's probably going to be the same. Obviously didn't want people to change the exhaust. Alright, I'll put those in order. Top one, second one. Who would have thought this was so hard? I had to Google, I had to YouTube someone taking the exhaust off. Oh, that's the wrong way. No, I just tightened it. Idiot. It's actually proven to be harder than I thought. I thought it was just going to be slip-on. They call them slip-ons for a reason. Clearly not. But I'll walk you through it. Basically, this bolt off, take all the bolts off from the heads there. I'm just going to take that whole thing off so I can polish it up. And then I'll stick this bad boy on, and then we'll mock it up. So, alright, we got that big chunk off. Man, it was hard trying to get this sensor out from underneath there. You can't even see it because of the light, but you gotta trust me, it was hard. But we're on to polishing now, so I'll polish it up, and then we're getting there. Alright guys, trust me, you did not want to come along for that ride. But it is all on and attached. I'm filming off my phone because everything's running out of battery. So I'm going to put the phone down and see if we can do a startup test. Right, we got it installed, guys, and it sounds amazing. The only problem is the fuel injection lights come on, so I don't know what that means. Oh, because I took the O2 sensor out. I'd say that's why. I don't know how to reset that or take it off, but we'll see what happens, see what we can do. But it's way louder. I don't know what this lady's doing. Oh, that was a mission to get on. So like, the bolts that were covering like my case for the ABS brakes and everything they were like stuck. I used everything. I used WD-40, I used Penetrator 40, like nothing worked. I eventually had to just hammer them out. Ended up getting them out. And then, yeah, basically just polished up as best as I could. I just wanted to get it on, so I didn't want to polish too much. I'll end up doing that maybe another day. Oh, bug straight to the face. Anyway, yeah, so it's on. The fuel injection light, I'm guessing, is because I've taken the CO2 sensor out, or not entirely sure. But I'd say that's it. That's the reason. I had to steal a bolt from somewhere because where the exhaust mounts up to the mount, I didn't have the bolt, so the person who sent the exhaust didn't have the bolt, or didn't send it, or lost it, or whatever. So I had to recycle a bolt. I may have to end up cutting the bolt because it's too long and it may rub up against the swing arm. But we got it on, guys, and it was a mission. I cut my finger. Well, I had already cut it, but I reopened the cut, which is annoying because it's my clutch hand, so every time I do it, it's probably splitting open. We're gonna head off to the shops now, get a few things for tonight, dinner and everything, and a few things that I've missed throughout the day. It's probably just gonna be a quick vlog. I don't know how well the filming went in the garage. My camera went flat and then the card went full. I just wanted to get it done, so I did a few things, and I'll yeah, just put it all together and see what happens. But now my bike sounds really nice, and it's the first time I've been out since having the stickers from AG Production, so hopefully I get a few followers from people just seeing the stickers on the bike. Oh, it sounds glorious. So good. Hopefully I've got this set up as well. The Cardo's on now, and I played around with where the position was. Like I tried to do a vlog earlier in the week, but I was getting this weird clicking sound. Anyway, Cardo called me after I put in a request for like some support, and we had a thought and put our heads together, and I think the problem was that my microphone for into the GoPro was sitting in my cheek pad, which is really, really close to where the speakers are from the Cardo are. So I'm guessing the speaker frequency was just making it click. I moved the microphone forward, not into the cheek pad, and just forward where the Cardo mic sits, and that seemed to have stopped the clicking. So yeah, all hopes it's stopped the clicking and we can keep vlogging, because I really like not having to sync the audio. We'll listen to that. Yeah, not syncing the audio saves a lot of time. I'm a bit scattered this morning. It frustrated me. I had so many frustrating moments with the exhaust. It's just thing after another, one thing after another. My exhaust is going to sound so loud under here. Give me the ticket. Oh, can't get in. So loud. At least now I'll be able to like rev it and make people realise that I'm there. Alright, I'll go get these things and then we'll be back. Oh, that sounds so good. Alright. Got what we needed. Oh, I got eggs in there, so hopefully the eggs don't get squished. Yes, it sounds so good. I don't want to talk just so you can hear it. Alright, we'll head back home. This will probably do the vlog. I just needed to do a quick run and show you guys what it sounded like. But yeah, that'll be about it, guys. See how it turns out with the footage. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. I don't know how well it'll go. Like I said, the filming was a bit dodgy. Use the GoPro sometimes and my phone at other times. Like, yeah, bit dodge. Bit of a mixed match. But we'll just throw it together and show you somewhat of the process of what happened. Yeah, it was a tough process. I thought it was going to be easier, to be honest. I don't know if it's like that on most bikes, but I'd say the Versys just being different, it was hard. Like, I had a bit of a YouTube and a lot of people were saying it's more difficult than usual bikes. Like, it's just so many other things you take off and unplug, and yeah. And like I said, those bolts that I had to use the hammer on, they were just stubborn as. They didn't want to come out at all. So yeah. And that fuel injection light, I'll look into that more, but like I said, I'm pretty sure it's because I took the thing out. I took the OT sensor out, or whatever it is that's in the exhaust. Could probably fix that by plugging it in again, but there's nowhere to put it in this exhaust. It sounds pretty nice. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it is like significantly louder than the stock exhaust, which is what I expected. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see if it shoots flames down.